Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I'm going to be explaining to you about the attachments available for the Wagner HVLP Paint Sprayers. This is the Wooden Metal Extra Brilliant attachment. This is designed for the very smooth projects that you need, like furniture. It's suitable for wooden metal paints, including wood preservatives, gloss, undercoat, primers, and even satin paints. The optimised nozzle and airflow guarantees high quality, brilliant surfaces. It comes with a 600ml pot. It is suitable for Wagner's universal sprayer, wall sprayer, and wooden metal sprayer. With having a smaller needle size, it gives you a finer atomization of spray pattern to give you a brilliant finish. The controls are very similar to the standard attachment. You have your material come out the center needle, airflow top and bottom directs the paint. You've got the choice of spraying upright, having it on this setting when you're spraying up and down. You can turn it horizontally if you're spraying from left to right, or you can set it in between there, which will project a very narrow, precise jet of material through the center. Once this is connected to your paint sprayer, this is your trigger for controlling your paint, which has a dial on the back, which you can open it up, which will reduce the amount of material coming through, or you can wind it right the way tight up to the back of the trigger, which then will allow a lot more material to travel through and cover the surface. You can unscrew that off the pot, where of course you put your paint in here, which has a suction tube for the material. Now this can be placed forward if you're spraying upright. It can also stay forward if you were spraying a surface down below, or if you were spraying the surface above you, you would turn that to the rear, which it would still draw up your materials when spraying above you. We do hope this video helped you better understand how Wagner spraying technology can really help you with your painting and decorating projects. And for more information, just check out the website, wagner-group.com.